Umar saw Bilal radiallahu anhu. Umar radiallahu became very happy. And he called Bilal radiallahu close. And he told this jama'ah of the leaders of Quraysh, these honorable, these rich, powerful men who were Muslims too. It's not like they were bad people, but they had become Muslims, so he told them back up. So when Umar radiallahu anh saw Salman al-Farisi, he told Salman, come close. And he told these leaders and back up. And he saw Miqdad ibn Aswad, who's also somebody who used to be a slave. And he called him close and he pushed them back in until the place where people would put shoes. So Abu Sufyan, he told these people, look, we are from the leaders of Mecca. We came all the way to Medina to see Umar. Like, why is he treating us like this? Like, we came first. And then one of them, he told Abu Sufyan, he said, no, he's right. Because they came first to Islam. And they say, Umar, what you did to us by pushing us back, we don't complain. You're right. But we want to ask you something. What if we get left behind from Al-Jannah? Umar told them, these people sacrifice. So go, take your wealth, take yourselves, and go and strive and struggle for the sake of Islam. Maybe Allah will raise your ranks to meet them. What did they do? They went back to Mecca and they gathered their things. And they gathered the youth of Mecca. They came out, they said, we're going to leave Mecca. So they said, we're going to go to Sham and we're either going to be victorious or shuhada. We're not coming back.